on the money. Good morning and welcome back to Huffler Garage. So if you see in our last video, we were fixing up the E90 BMW. We traded that BMW for this 1999 Chevrolet Tahoe. This thing has right at 200,000 miles. We're going to be fixing it up a little bit and showing you some videos of us pulling the plastic dip, because this is all chrome underneath the grill. We're going to show you cleaning it up and detailing the inside. It's a little trashy. There was a kid in this car, so you can imagine how bad it got in there. But we hope you like our video. Like and subscribe. Thank you. As you just saw, we did a surface detail throughout the entire Tahoe. We pulled the plastic dip off of the rims and off of the grill to see that chrome and what shape it was in. There's more to come with this thing. It's got some mechanical issues we're going to go through, and we're going to go through and do a full deep detail on those carpets to get the stains out or see what we can get out. And if you like our video, please subscribe and keep watching for more.